Prior to 2018, LinkedIn allowed users to extract contact and email addresses of their networks. However, later due to users' privacy concern, LinkedIn feature of extracting contact data rolled out. Albeit, you cannot use LinkedIn's feature for this purpose, but you can use third-party tools to get going with your aim. Emailsearch.io. Emailsearch.io helps you gather LinkedIn data as well as data from other social media platforms. It functions more like as email search engine. Benefits: email automation and tracking, outreaching email, phone numbers, social medias, easy and convenient. Hunter.io. Hunter.io is highly popular and simple email finder tool as well as email verifier and email tracker for Gmail. With this tool, you can quickly search for email of all professionals. Benefit: the search engine allows you to find an email address for any professional working for a particular company based on their name and the website's address. Detailed source information and confidence scores for searching engines and bulk domains. The Chrome extension allows user to find a list of emails associated with a website as well as their public sources such as Twitter. Aero Leads, a tool that provides you with verified email addresses, company websites, job titles, LinkedIn URLs, and locations. Benefits: LinkedIn verified business emails. Provide detailed information about the prospect such as job title, company detail, address, etc. Boosts your lead generation with bulk email searches. You can find email addresses from a variety of platforms with this Chrome extension. Find that lead. With this email finder, you can choose from specific audience segments such as keyword and location to conduct advanced searches. Benefits: authentic email address of new leads at any company can be found using lead search by first name, last name, and company name or domain. A prospecting tool that helps find leads based on company's profile, job position, and keywords. Users' email can be retrieved based on their Twitter and LinkedIn profile using social media searches. Easily scrap emails from LinkedIn and other websites with this Chrome extension. Scrap. This tool allows you to scrap verified B2B emails by using data matching algorithms which index public web pages and stimulate emails based on companies' email patterns. Benefits: this tool allows you to find anyone's email address given their company name, website, and target lead name. The most influential people at any company can be found through a domain search. LinkedIn and Sales Navigator integration with Chrome extension for verified email addresses. CSV and XLSS format are supported by exporting prospect list. Client-side web application can securely interact with APIs.